lock in. Get you a diaper on, chat! Yo, Nail with the 5. Spooky time! Yeah! Chat, bro, chat, grow up, man!
Great. Now I'm wide awake.
Might as well jump on a CaseOh's stream. You know?
If this keeps up, I'm not getting any sleep. Might as well make some matcha.
Yep. I still don't know what matcha tastes like. All I know is that it's green and I don't mess with that. She's a real person, I know. Real person, by the way, chat. She's probably watching the stream right now. By the way, y'all in here acting a fool. She's probably watching.
Perfect.
Yo, Smith with the 5. W. Smith with the 5. Just doing, can I get a recap? We just started. All right, what was the objective? Get the kettle from the kitchen. I can most certainly do that. It's very dark in my house, I must say. Love what you've done with the place, though, Fifi. Love what you've done with the place. What's that in here? Okay. Oh, we got a projector? Chad, I want me a movie projector. Should I get one? Okay. Fifi, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if I'm really messing with the wallpaper. It's kinda creeped me out. Why does everything feel so sinister? I'm just making some coffee. Yeah. Can I turn the hold on. Okay. Thank you. Cause see, the music is stressing me out. Dude, I thought I was gonna have time to get the candles first. Where is the bathroom? How you got a hobby room? You ain't got no bathroom, Fifi. Oh, here go the bathroom right here. Where's the candles at? Hey, that's me. Hey. Chat, say hi. Fifi, you dead. Never mind, we good. Boom.
Well, I might as well take a shower before the water gets cold.
Uh-oh. I better get ready to put this thing on full screen. Let me get that thing pre-fired. All right, let's take a shower. He's here. Oh, no! Okay, we good. Never mind.
Got to be kidding me.
We good.
Who the hell could that be?
The skin stapler! Yo, NZ with the 5. W, NZ with the 5. Thank you. GG.
But that would ruin the surprise.
Sir, no.
What surprise?
Tisk, tisk, tisk. No spoilers, my darling. Now if you could kindly open the fucking
Whoa, hey!
Not a chance in hell, you freak!
Fine. If you won't open the door, I'll make my own entrance.
What you doing? Lord have mercy! Get in the closet!
Oh god, I need to hide, now!
Cabinet in the bathroom. Okay, where the cabinet at? No, Fifi dead. R.I.P. Fifi, chat, she gone. There ain't no way we leave. No! He learned that one. He learned that one from Tanner.
Don't fight it. It's working exactly how it should.
You ugly fuck. Why can't I feel anything?
You should be thanking me, darling. You are one of you.
No, he's gonna do the skin stapler.
Wait, hold on. You don't have to do this.
Oh, but I do. This is my favorite part.
R.I.P. Fifi, chat. She gone.
You know.
It's a replica. It's a toy sword, buddy. No, Fifi! The what? Y'all need to install some more light bulbs in here, man. It's depressing up in here. Game of the year, facts. Ooh, y'all remember when we worked at the bowling alley in the demo? I wonder if the bowling alley's still in the game. Where's the exit? Oh, there it is. Have a good night, Luna. Thank you. All right. Richard's got him a new partner. All right, which apartment is it? We lost our cat? All right. Oh, this is the crime scene. How you doing, officer?
Martin, has anyone else inspected the scene?
No one besides the initial officers.
Yo, you need a drink of water?
Good.
You're looking a little stiff, Dick. Everything all right?
His name is Richard!
Just hoping this new partner isn't soft. There's no telling what kind of a mess this stapler left in that apartment.
Hey, YouTube editor's gonna be working overtime on this.
Yeah, that nut wrecked the place. Good luck with your investigation, Slater.
Hey, I already know YouTube editor's about to be working double OT. Y'all might have to get a raise after this one. Lord. R.I.P. Fifi, chat. Lord have mercy. Oh my goodness, he stapled her skin. That's why they call him the skin stapler. Another evidence. R.I.P. Fifi. Tough. Another one. Golly.
I'll be counting the days until then. Better head inside and start my shift.
Hey, you gotta do what you gotta do, man. Gotta pay that car off. Hey, that thing is pretty clean, I'm not gonna lie. Let's handle our business, chat. You already know what time it is. Hear me out on Hexy, bruh. Do y'all just say, I assume it for everybody now, man.
Oh, God.
Did he just take a...
Are you calling me on the shitter? Again? Disgusting!
He just took a dump! Grab the box of mystery meat from out back. Okay. All right. I remember from the demo it was back here. Yeah. Mystery meat. This does not look safe.
Does this place ever actually fix anything?
All right. Let's get these going. Chat, they don't look that bad. Oh, we got a customer. Hey,
Hey, youngster, let me get a nice long one and make it snappy.
Evil with the 5. Thank you, Evil with the 5. Yes, sir. Coming right up. Okay. How much of this you want? I'm just going to give you just how much I'm thinking, okay? Golly, that sound nasty. You want some relish on it? Okay, here you go. That is nasty. You want the works? Oh, my. Hot dog container. Boom. There you go, sir. You have yourself a... Don't do. What you doing?
You happen to carry any staples?
Why did he say it like that? Yes, sir. The hardware's just over there to the left. We might have some staples over.
Why do you need staples this late at night?
You know who he sounds like right here? He sounds like the dude from the bus in that washing machine killer game by Puppet Combo back in the day. There we go. Boom, boom. You want some of this right here? Talking about some... How about some of it? And how about a little bit of the... Okay, ma'am. You know, you can take this outside and eat it. You don't have to eat it right here. Thank you. All right, coming right up, sir. Yo, these hot dogs are a hit. Nobody's buying anything else out of here. They're just getting the hot dogs. Now I want one. They look nasty, but I low-key want one now. It's ready. I like that alarm clock, Chad. I'm not gonna lie, I like that alarm clock. He hits that thing Bruh!
Shit, dude! What the hell is your problem?
It seems you're all out of staples.
You might have to go to, like, Target or something, sir.
I'm getting pretty sick of your shit. I think you better leave before I make you.
Hey, hold up now. This dude's a serial killer, buddy. Relax. Another skill check. One for one. Lord have mercy! I don't think that's how plungers work, Hexy. Not gonna lie. You gotta get the... You know, when you're using a plunger, chat, you gotta get, like, the suction. 2 for 2. 2 for 2. 3 for 3! You are nasty.
This stupid thing isn't working.
His hands are all over the seeds. That is nasty.
Huh? What the? What is that sound?
You better back up. This is satisfying. Another round? Okay. There's one done. Wait, do I not do anything with that? Okay. Sir, you gonna bowl or not? You just gonna sit there all night? Okay. GG. Hey, you know what the next step right here is? You grab one of these bowling balls right here, take it and just whop right in the face. Jay, creepy, man. There we
I'll
go.
eat this back at the register.
Please let her eat her noodles before we die. No, no! No! Where's Richard when you need him?
Don't, Blair. You hear me? Don't.
No!
Look who's awake. Who are you talking to?
Mr. Shrimp?
Mr. Shrimp. Call 911. No.
No! Idiot, didn't work. Ain't no ball in it.
Don't ask.
Oh, he covered in doo-doo. Yeah.
Seriously, oh God, is that?
Lord have mercy, Robbie!
You done redecorating the floor, kid? We've got work to do.
I don't mind the smell. Actually, I kinda like it.
Yeah, I do. Hold that.
No.
You better start talking, Buster. You gonna make him hit you again? You better start talking. Start talking. You gonna make me hit him again?
Oh!
Wrong answer!
You thought I was... Ah! Was that Blair? Hey, I just see Fifi type in the chat too. The whole gang's here. Yo, Fifi, they snapped you up earlier too. I was sad. Yo, Busky with the 5, thank you. Hey, chat, hey, everybody Don's in here. Hey, everybody keep dying and they in here. Okay. Yo, can y'all, bro, everybody y'all in here tweaking about is actually in the stream, by the way. Y'all have no shame. Y'all have no shame. Ooh, this place kind of...
Oh, I need to open the parking gate. Switch is by the register.
That's an OG CaseOh plushie, bruh! Wait, what is that? Everybody in this town is tweaking.
Fill this old timer up with something warm and creamy, would ya?
I'm not gonna lie. The dough source is questionable, but that thing look kind of good. Okay, got the glaze on it. Donut box. Oh, I have it. Okay, never mind. Here you go, ma'am. Thank you. You have a great... Please don't. Ma'am, what are you doing? Oh, okay. You don't want no donut with that? We got the special CaseOh donut here. You gonna hear what this plushie does? Listen. All right, Scaroline, there you go.
Here you go. Fresh and hot.
Chat, game of the year, like, for real. This is crazy good. Get that thing fried up. Get some glaze on it. Hey, we did that one a little extra, didn't we? Boom. In the box. Here you go, sir. Sir, please, I'm begging you. What you doing with that?
It's just a prop, you know, to scare people.
Yeah, this ain't a real guillotine, dummy.
Such a waste. Until now.
It ain't gonna work because it's fake. That's not a real blade, it's styrofoam. We lost another one. R.I.P. Luna. All right, chat, let's go investigate Luna's crime scene. R.I.P. Look at this goober.
Detective Slater! I finally made it out from behind my desk.
Dude's name is Elmer.
Oh, your voice, Elmer.
Sorry, sir. It's just... This is what I've been waiting for.
Yo, who is this goober? Elmer!
Then don't screw it up.
Jeez, this isn't what I signed up for. But alright, Slater.
Oh!
God, it's so slimy. Why do I feel like this has all been done before?
Who cares? Keep digging.
Skill check! What is that? Ain't she real for that, though? There we go. Boom. Here you are, ma'am. Please enjoy your movie. Don't do it, too. Ma'am, please. Why are y'all doing this? Don't do it! Oh, we gotta get this dude up out of here. Please just go.
In a city where sin never sleeps, a maniac is on the loose.
I got the full screen button on deck.
And with every new move, they goon.
What?
The full mooner gooner. No one is safe from the urge. No law.
I'm going full screen on that.
No escape.
What do you want from me? What do you want from me?
Just a moment. A moment. To go.
Stop!
The Full Mooner Gooner. Based on true events. Coming this June. We all goon.
Brothers and sinners must be cleansed. You devil will help draw dick. Later tonight.
I did not mean to skip that.
Wait, no. Where are you going?
Not the TV! No!
Looks like this one's going straight to VHS.
Devil, judgment, death, justice. Devil, judgment, death, justice. Devil, judgment, death, justice. We're a blood bank. Oh, do I do it here? Oh, here we go. It's all remote. That does not look sanitary. There we go. Let me grab that real quick. Are we not gonna clean this place up, Lena? This looks like whatever. Let me get the money. There you go, ma'am. Have a good one. Gook. Lobotomy? All right, sir. You might feel a slight sting. Here we go. He good. He good. That might be my best one yet, dude. Hey, that actually might be my best one yet, bro. I swear. Hey, you know what's crazy? That didn't hit me until I said it. That actually, I think that's no joke. That's got to be my best one. Like, I'm dead serious. That was actually generational, dude. Be waiting. We ain't gonna make it. No! Richard! She's cooked. We're about to find out who it is. No! That's insane. That is crazy right there. Well, I said maybe she didn't die. Tough. We'll see you in court on that shirt.
I know that mug anywhere. Hey, Slater.
B, it's good to see you're still breathing.
She got aura.
How do you two know each other?
Dick and I go way back. He saved my life.
He knew we were coming. He knew it. Make sure I ain't missing nothing here. It makes you wonder, you think he's selling human flesh here to, like, people eating? Let me see them prices real quick. Hey, not bad. What is this? Just a meat sack. All right, 1 of 4 evidence is here. Oh, so he's probably not going to be here then if we're doing evidence. What room have I haven't missed anything. My bad, chat, my bad. Hello, what have I missed? Chat, y'all see it? Wait, actually, what have I missed? Like, no joke. Oh my goodness, GG. Locked. What is this? What's happening? No! Robbie, no! No, please, no! No!
That should do it. Hold on, Dick. I'm coming.
No! That's his last words, too! You gotta be kidding! That's his last words! No! We gotta save him, please, 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 please. No, actually, no. Robbie! Well, 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 skin stapler. This is Ed Gein vibes, by the way. Everything in here is made of, like, human flesh. Well, 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 skin stapler. It all comes down to this.
All right, scumbag. Tell me where Robbie is, and I'll make this quick. I promise.
Richard, you're scaring me. No! Oh, no, no. You better not. I swear no.
Robbie.
This better have a good ending. I will lose it.
Hey, kid. Wake up!
This is for my brother.
No!
Dick, use my gun.
No! You can, no way!